bake cookies is our auntie.
Okay, guys, so I made some chocolate chip cookies. Do you guys think they're gonna be yummy?
Yes.
Okay, so we need to bake them first, right?
Yes.
Okay. We need to scoop them and put them on here so they can go into the oven, right?
Yes.
Okay, can you help me?
Yeah.
Okay. You scoop one scoop. No, let me help you, right? Like this. Make a scoop. And then, wow. Okay. Okay, yeah, let go. Let go. Okay. Wow. Yeah. This is one cookie. And then put it here. Oh, good job. Okay. You too. You can put it here. In the middle, right there. You need help? Okay, nice. Okay. How many should we do?
8.
8? Oh, I don't think we have big enough for 8. We can try, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. How many is that?
3. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.
Okay, let's do another one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay.
1.
One more?
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
7?
7. Yeah.
Okay, you said 8?
8. Yeah.
And
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8.
8? Okay, we can do 2 batches, okay?
Okay.
Now, what's the next step?
Chocolate.
We add 3 chocolates on top of 2 chocolates on every cookie, okay?
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay, here. You add a chocolate on this cookie and you add a chocolate on that cookie.
Okay. Yeah. This one?
Yeah. Good job.
Cookie.
I'm excited. I think they're going to be so yummy. Okay, now we're going to take this to the oven and then we're going to let it cook for 10 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Guys, okay, now they're out of the oven. Okay, ooh, that's still kind of hot. Don't they look so yummy?
Yeah.
Okay, should we put them on the plate now?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, look at that. That's like perfect.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
That's perfect. Yum.
We need to save one for baby too.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
And one for mommy.
Uh-huh, and one for daddy.
One for daddy. One for auntie.
Okay.
This is so yum.
Okay, that's it for me. Now we can taste it. Here we go. Is it hot?
Nope.
Ready? Let's try it.
It's very tasty.
So
Yummy.
I really like this.
Me too.
Let's go ask baby to try cookie. Finish yours first, okay? Okay. Oh no, it's in your face.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Oh, messy.